Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cuban Mojo marinade. Saludos mis cariños. Hoy le voy a enseñar cómo hacer un auténtico mojo criollo cubano. Sour oranges are very difficult to find, so you can either buy a bottle of mojo in the store or you can make your own by using grapefruit, orange, and lime. Naranja agria es muy difícil para encontrar, entonces puede comprar una botella o puede hacer mojo con torona, naranja regular y limón verde. For the ingredients, I'm using 6 sour oranges, 1 lime, 1 head of garlic, a half of onion, a quarter cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper. Para los ingredientes necesitamos son 6 naranjas agrias, un limón verde, una cabeza de ajo, media cebollita, 1/4 taza de aceite de oliva, una cucharadita de comino y oregano, sal y pimienta. Before I get started, I like to roll my sour orange a little just to make it a little juicier. And the difference between the sour orange and the regular orange is that the sour orange is much smaller. They come in various shades of greenish orange. They also taste sour. To me, they taste like grapefruit juice. And they also have a lot of seeds in them. Antes de empezar, me gusta enrollar mi naranja agria para hacerla más jugosa. La diferencia entre una naranja agria y una naranja regular es que naranja agria es más pequeña, el color puede ser naranja verde y sabe jugo de toronja, es amarga y tiene muchas semillas. You're going to find many variations to this recipe, but an authentic Cuban mojo doesn't have cilantro or parsley in it. Hay muchas variaciones a esta receta, pero la auténtica receta no lleva cilantro ni perejil. 6 sour oranges usually gives me about a cup and a half of juice, more or less. Puedo hacer casi una taza y media de jugo con 6 naranjas agrias. Now next, I'm going to move on to the garlic. And the garlic, I like to just mince into small pieces, and then I like to mash it with the mortero, the mortar and pestle. So now I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt into my garlic, and I'm going to mash it up a little bit just to make a paste. And it also extracts the oil from the garlic to give it a more stronger garlic flavor. Le puse una cucharadita de sal para hacer una pasta de ajo. Cuando aplastas el ajo, liberar el aceite que da más sabor. So now we're going to add the garlic into the orange juice, and then we're going to add in the dry spices. Ahora voy a echar una pasta de ajo y siguiente los condimentos secos. Next, I'm going to chop up the onion very finely and add it into the juice. Siguiente, voy a cortar la cebolla muy finamente. Now I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of olive oil to the orange juice. Ahora voy a echar 1/4 taza de aceite al jugo de naranja. Now you don't need anything else after you add the oil to it. You can either blend it or leave it just like this. Now I like to add 1 lime to my mojo, and that gives it an extra kick of flavor. Bueno, ahí está. Un auténtico mojo cubano, pero me gusta añadir una lima para darle más sabor. One thing about Cuban cooking is that it's full of flavor, and you can add mojo to anything. You can add mojo to pork chops, to beef, to steak, chicken, fish, whatever. If you're going to add it to yuca, leave out the cumin because it's too strong. Una cosa sobre la cocina cubana es que está llena de sabor. Puede añadir mojo a chuletas, pescado, pollo, yuca, lo que sea. Si vas a añadir mojo a yuca, no pongas el comino, es demasiado fuerte. So for a smoother consistency, you can blend your mojo. But if you want to leave it just the way it is, you can. So I'll show you how it is when you blend it. I'll blend a little bit. Si quiere una consistencia más suave, pongo los ingredientes en una licuadora. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please like, comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook at my Facebook group, Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para yo irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y comentario. Y suscríbete a mi canal. Y sígueme en Facebook y mi grupo, Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Gracias por verme. Muchas bendiciones. Bye-bye.